Hey everybody, I'm Jake McNeal. I'm the creator of CROSSWALK the game, and you're watching the 7th devlog episode for my new and upcoming game, CROSSWALK Joyride. Since the last video, I've finished the model for the Eggmobile, and I've also given it its texture. So in the menu system, I already had it set up with the standard vehicle, and I had a pixel image of it, and it would have I made a pixel image of that and all the other colors for it. So I went ahead and made a sprite sheet, and basically only had to make 4 new vehicles that are pixel art, and then just make colored variants of all of them. And I put it in a sprite sheet, and then from that sprite sheet I imported it into Unity, and I can access it that way. So now when you enter the store, up at the top you immediately are greeted with your rubies and your coins that you have, and it'll follow you into any of the tiers. Like if we were to go to the upgrades, you can see it if we were to buy, say, a fuel increase for 250 coins. If I was to click on this, you'd see that it minus the 250 from the total. But what I've been working on recently is in the customized player. I've redesigned how the icon looks. It fits the other ones, mainly this the arrow more. What I've really been working on here is the vehicle customization. So right now, automatically your standard vehicle is always going to have it unlocked, right? But now we can go through, get the truck, the off-trail vehicle, the Eggmobile, and the Stingray. And all these names could be changed later. But if you've noticed, when you change, they're all orange. So colors, your color options will be free. If I was to set it to, say, a green, all of them would go through being green. But what we're gonna test, and I'm hoping this works. I haven't tested this, so we'll see. My live reaction to this. We're gonna buy the Lamborghini. I think it's 20. Okay, so let's get 20 rubies, and we'll go to the Lamborghini and hit unlock. I mean, it seems to work. It seems like that worked great. And I know I keep calling it Lamborghini. It's called a Stingray is what I'm going with right now. And I want a green one. So no. Pink. A pink Lamborghini. Okay, let's go back in. And my car is selected. So now all I gotta do is make it so when you select it, it reflects that in the game. So yeah, we'll get to that point. So now that the car selection works in the menu system, I needed to bring it into the actual game. So I made a short script that basically dealt with my saved data. So if your vehicle was selected in the menu system, it would immediately reflect that in the actual game. And it does that with the colors as well. So now that is all done, and we should be good to go.
Run.
So from here, we're gonna change drastically what we're working on. And we're actually gonna jump into rigging a character. And through this process, I actually had to go through with the weight painting and then learning about animating. I learned about rigging, animating, and weight painting. And you know, I mean, it could be fairly simple stuff to someone that's used to 3D models and like making a 3D game, but this is my first 3D game that I've ever made. I've been making games since 2003, but they've always been pixel games. This is my first branch away from pixel art. After I set it up with like its weight paint, you know, I was testing its movement, and it seemed to be pretty good from what I could tell. A few different things. I think I need to edit the weight paint a little more, because what I've noticed after I animated the thing is that it's pulling on the ear and the neck on the back when I move its shoulder like this. And it makes it kind of look like it's popping. And that could be also due to my animation that I did. This is the first animation I've ever done in Blender. The legs looked okay from what I could see. The arms had the kind of rhythm I was looking for, but it's the shoulders. It just kind of looks like at the end of it, it just goes pop. You know, it just pops back, and it's just, I can fix that later. But that's all I had time for with this video. I'd just like to thank you guys for watching this video and sticking around to the end of it. If you guys are curious about my project in more ways, I am on social media. I have a Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter page that you guys, I'll have it all linked in the description below. And if you're curious about playing CROSSWALK the game, I'll have that linked in the description as well. And yeah, thanks for watching.